everyone. My name is Sagrika Shukla from IIM Mumbai and my roll number is 2024-01204. Today I am delighted to share insights from my recent interaction with one of our distinguished alumni, Mr. Mrinmay Chakrabarti. Mr. Chakrabarti is 2004 graduate from IIM Mumbai, then known as NEETI. His academic journey continued at the Stanford University Graduate School of Business, where he completed a prestigious fellowship in finance and entrepreneurship. His career trajectory is inspiring, marked by the co-founding of two startups, one in 2010 and other Solid Inspire in 2016. During a conversation, Mr. Chakrabarti highlighted the significance of workplace behavior practices that leaders and teams should embody. He emphasized that a comprehensive understanding of the current stage of the company is vital for effective decision making. Aligning practice with the company's strategic goal is crucial as it ensures consistency and unified direction. Mr. Chakravarti shared that the post transformation organization should have a clear vision of what they aspire to become. This clarity is essential for building the roadmap to success. However, achieving this transformation requires a thoughtful approach. Convincing stakeholders is the first step. Stakeholders should feel confident in the vision and the strategies being put forth, fostering trust and collaboration. He pointed out an essential leadership lesson. Avoid solving the wrong problem diligently. The time and resources spent on addressing misaligned issues can set back the growth and focus of any organization. He introduced a simple yet profound analogy. There are two kinds of problems: vitamin problem and painkiller problem. The former represent the challenges, while beneficial to solve, are not mission critical. On the other hand, painkiller problems are those that cannot be ignored. They require immediate and effective solution. Mr. Chakrabarti urged future leaders to channel their energy into finding solutions for painkiller problems that directly impact organizational health and sustainability. Moreover, he stressed that the solution we seek should integrate the right technology and involve right people. It's not just about adopting the newest tools, but ensuring that technology is tailored to meet the organization's specific need and is implemented by a capable team. This combination, he noted, is what transforms the theoretical strategies into tangible outcomes. In conclusion, Mr. Chakrabarti's experience and lesson provide a rich source of inspiration and guidance for all of us striving to excel in business leadership and entrepreneurship. His approach to tackling complex business problems with clarity and precision is something we can all learn from and apply in our professional journeys. Thank you for listening, and I hope this insight into Mr. Chakrabarti's philosophies adds value to your understanding of effective business practices.